Hello all, and in this video we're going to be talking about the bridge. Now the bridge is a contrasting section that breaks up the ever-repeating verse-chorus format. It is said to be in most song forms a transition of material that comes after a first or second chorus and then goes further. So that one you would need to have either different lyrical content or different melodic content that will help move the song back to a chorus or back to a final resting place in the outro. So that is one thing to remember. Also, the lyrical content could be replaced with just instrumental music as well.